Recycling is a critical process in the pursuit of environmental sustainability, defined as the process of converting waste materials into new, reusable products. This transformative activity not only reduces the consumption of fresh raw materials, but also aims to minimize energy usage, decrease pollution, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. In exploring how recycling works, it generally involves three fundamental stages: collection and processing, manufacturing, and purchasing recycled products. The first stage involves collecting recyclable materials, which can be accomplished through curbside collection or drop-off centers. Items are sorted and sent to recycling facilities. The primary materials that are often recycled include paper, plastic, glass, metal, and electronic waste, each following a distinct recycling pathway. For instance, paper is de-inked and repulped. Plastics are sorted by type and melted down. Glass is crushed and melted. Metals are melted and purified, while electronic waste is dismantled. Plastic and electronic waste receive considerable attention globally due to the severe environmental impact they wield. Plastics, due to their persistent nature and prevalence, have contributed significantly to ocean pollution and the endangerment of marine life. Similarly, electronic waste is hazardous, perpetuating heavy metals and toxins. Recycling holds immense benefits in preserving the environment. It significantly reduces waste that would otherwise end up in landfills or incinerators, conserving valuable landfill space. Furthermore, recycling conserves natural resources like trees, water, and minerals, thus reducing the depletion of Earth's finite resources. The recycling process is also energy efficient, often requiring less energy compared to producing new products from raw materials, which in return leads to a substantial reduction in carbon footprints. Beyond the environmental benefits, recycling also reduces pollution by lessening the demand for raw material extraction. The promotion of recycling on a worldwide scale is imperative for fostering a cleaner, healthier planet. As individuals, taking practical steps at home, in schools, and workplaces can significantly bolster recycling efforts. Basic actions, such as correctly separating waste into recyclable and non-recyclable categories, are pivotal. Reducing reliance on single-use plastics, engaging in community recycling initiatives, and educating peers about the importance of sustainable waste management are all pivotal strategies. Encouraging recycling routines can create a ripple effect, transforming communities and contributing to global sustainability. How can you make a difference today?